Okay, Carmen. Got your 69 VHP sitting here on the bench. I haven't been able to find anything wrong with it. The only thing that I suspect is maybe your SWR button was in, but even then I get, the needle don't go all the way over to the right, even when I talk into it. Okay, with it out in the SRF position, audio, hello, hello, audio 1, 2, does like it's supposed to. Okay, now sideband. I've got my Yaesu FT991 set up on 38 so that we can listen. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio testing, testing audio. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test, test audio, audio 1, 2. Now, the only thing that I see that we might be getting is a little bit of carrier. Okay? So, I'm going to go in and adjust that and balance the carrier, and hopefully that's what it is. So, I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll give you a recording at the end here. Alright, I still didn't find anything wrong, but I did zero out, zero beat the carrier again on sideband, but it was almost perfect already. So I did make a couple of slight adjustments on the inside, but nothing major. Hello audio, audio hello, hello audio, audio 1, 2, 1, 2 audio. Oh, now that meter being stuck over there like that, audio, that just means I need to go in and adjust the meter down some. Hello, audio, audio. Yeah, it's getting stuck in the corner, but it's not really sticking. Audio, audio, audio. See, the carrier's not staying there, and I don't know why they couldn't hear you. It's dead on frequency. The modulation's clear. I'm on the lower side of 38. You can see right there, lower side of 38. This one's on the lower side of channel 38. Hello audio, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio testing, testing audio. Audio hello, hello audio. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2 audio. I got 100 watt slugs in here. Audio, audio. So about 50 watts RMS and right around 90 watts peak on sideband. Hello, and the meter is stuck over there again, but I need to go in and adjust it so that it don't bounce off the side. But as you can see, it's not stuck. It's not transmitting, in other words, but it's just the needle stuck over there. So that's an adjustment. I'll take care of that before I send it back, but everything works great. No problem with the audio. Got good sounding audio on sideband. Got good sounding audio on AM too, but you already told me AM was good. But yeah, the needle is stuck over there on the side. Yep, it just freed it up. So I'll go in and adjust it so it won't bounce off the side when you talk real loud. And that should take care of that problem. Okay, and it did that basically because we adjusted the power up on it. And I did not adjust the meter. So that's my fault. I'll go in and do that now. And then I'm going to box it up and send it back to you. The radio works perfect. Okay, just keep an eye on the switch. If you got high SWR, it may pin to the side. Like right now, it's pinned to the side, and I'm not transmitting. But if I tap it, it falls back down. So I need to fix it so it won't go all the way over to the stop, because that's what's happening. Okay, I'll take care of that. All right, 7-3. Okie dokie. One last demo here. I went in and made the adjustment on the meter. I'm just simply blowing into the microphone to make the needle go all the way over. Audio, 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 audio. Okay, so you're all set. And like I said, the radio sounds great. Audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Let me turn this up a little bit. I don't want to turn it up enough to where I get feedback. 1 2 audio. Audio 1 2 1 2 hello. Hello 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Test audio. Hello audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Audio hello hello audio audio. Audio, audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio, hello, hello, audio. I could probably turn that down a little bit more. Audio, hello, audio. 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 See, it falls back after you stop talking now. It wasn't doing that, it was sticking over there before. Audio. Audio. But it's still turned up too much. I need to turn it down some. Audio. You shouldn't be pegging the corner like that. All right, let me take care of that. Okay. Audio, 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 audio. Sometimes it still moves it swings all the way over there. But when you're talking normally, it don't do that. Audio, 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 audio. I guess I can turn it down a little bit more. Okay, you won't exactly have your meter won't swing all the way over like it was before. Audio, 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 audio. But at least it's not sticking over in the corner now. Audio, 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 audio. It's just bouncing too hard off of that corner over there. On the AM, this is where you're going to be. Audio, audio, audio. Okay, so. All right, well, that's all I can find wrong with it. And like I said, I mean, let's switch back to the lower side. Hello, audio. Audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Let me turn that back up. I had turned it down so that it wouldn't interfere with what I was doing. Hello, audio. Audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Audio testing, testing audio. Audio. Audio, hello, audio, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio, 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 audio. So, all right. I'm gonna get her buttoned up and sent back to you. Sorry about the trouble. 7-3.